Moving straight into our 9th lesson of competency number 9, this descriptive statement that we'll be focusing on reads, "The beginning teacher provides students with opportunities to use technology for producing various types of communication, such as class newspapers, multimedia reports, and visual reports, and helps students analyze how language, medium, and presentation contribute to the message." Wow, that was another long descriptive statement, but don't worry, we've got a great lesson for you. Let's jump right in. There are essentially two main segments inside this descriptive statement. Here we have provides students with opportunities to use technology for producing various types of communications. And then second, we have helps students analyze how language, medium, and presentation contribute to the message. And these are the two outcomes that you're going to want to take away from this lesson. Regarding providing students with opportunities to use technology, first check with your school and see what kinds of resources the children have access to. You might find tablets, microphones, green screens, and a host of other supplies, including creator software appropriate for children. Before using the technology, make sure to cover how to use it, as well as what it means to be a digital citizen when using computers, tablets, and the internet. Next, let's teach our students how to analyze how language, medium, and presentation contribute to the overall message. When students view any piece of media, they're consuming a combination of language, medium, and presentation. By understanding how these elements contribute to the message, they can become critical thinkers and discern the real message of what's being shown. Starting with language, we have the definition, the words, tone, and style used in a message. Key points here, we have vocabulary choice, which are words. These can be neutral, positive, negative, or loaded with emotion. We also have tone. This refers to the attitude or emotion behind the words that are chosen. And we have style. Formal versus informal. We also have complex versus simple, and abstract versus concrete. Activity here that you might want to use or see on your exam, show students a short text or a clip. Have them list out words or phrases that stood out to them and discuss why those particular words were chosen. And then number 2, we have medium. The definition here is the tool or format used to convey a message. So the medium could be, for example, print versus digital. A printed newspaper article might feel more pertinent and official, while a blog post will feel more dynamic and current. Then we have video versus audio. Video provides visual context, whereas audio requires imaginative interpretation. And then we have static versus interactive. A static image versus an interactive web page offers different levels of engagement. Our activity for medium would be to compare the same news story from a printed newspaper, a news website, and a podcast. Discuss the differences in experience and perception that the students get after reading or watching, or listening to. Here we have presentation, and this is how the content is organized and displayed. Layout and design include colors, fonts, and spacing, which can highlight importance or evoke certain emotions. We also have sequencing. This is the order that the information is presented in, which will influence the reader's interpretation of what's being seen, read, or listened to. And finally, we have visuals, which are images, graphs, or charts, and these can simplify the complex information that we might be reading or listening or watching. Our activity for presentation that we would use in the classroom and the one that you will want to be looking out for on your exam is when you take a dense or text-heavy article and challenge students to transform it into a clear, visually appealing infographic or slide presentation. Teaching kids how to break down and understand medium helps them think critically and not just accept everything that they see or hear online. Not a great test taker? Click the link in the description below to get prepared faster, smarter, better, with everything you need to pass all in one place, so you get the test results you want and become a certified teacher with teacherpreps.com.